Plie uba AL Hek MLA kapenthor umkra constituency yaka extension building jangka school St. Michael's LP and UP English School Umsning Riboy District mentaka singi khanri tarik risau. Hakani ka singi shwaban Plie yaka tega building jangka St. Michael's English School Umsning lasdang shwa daka program balingkot balashim benta daki khana school jangka ni ka school. Hakajinga dan lang Reverend Padar Pius Shadap Parish Priest jangka Umsning Parish Ba Carlos Kharkongol President jangka School Managing Committee Sister Ice Pilin Kharthangmau Headmistress jangka ni ka school harangkat kidong hikai bat ki khana school jangka ni ka school. Hadin kajing Plie yakate ke extension building la yo ru yakajing kurkhu yaki saudong saukun jangka ni ka building da Reverend Padar Pius Shadap bala penkut da kajing duai balayalam da Reverend Padar Pius Shadap.
Once again, good morning. It's my privilege and honor to inaugurate the school, extension school building of St. Michael's School. Congratulations to all of you. Privilege to unveil the inauguration stone of the St. Michael's School. Congratulations.
Akan pun sim pertama, kau boleh try kan si hajar mu ram tabaro jika ai bijing yang pasti ai belum lalu di sekarang. Nipan kita dah press try curi. Aku pa curi bang dan ruang ai bang
Please clap your hands.
We have to go ahead in building the school building. And Bahek will tell, but he has informed me today, he will speak nicely about that he had promised to sponsor at least one student in the nursing from our place, from St. Michael students. So we shall see the best one and the one who is ready to go for nursing. So those are the good things that Bahek had done. Bahek had done great things for the past more than 25 years. No? I was ordained priest in 97. Bahek was elected on 1998. So I am 1 year senior. So from that time, he never lost the election. And he will never lose also. Now we are growing little old, but the election he'll never lose. In spite of anything. So Bahek had done a lot for the state, for the government of Meghalaya, or for the people of Meghalaya. Has done a lot for the church. Ki parish nong mensong, but parish pentar di kilayo sibon gijinggerku. So many blessings they got. Now sinong umtreu menta, umtreu la kelasor, na gajingwan jong nursing school, ka hostel. So Bahek had done so many great things for our people, for the state and for the constituency and for whatever those who ask help from him. So I am happy therefore to have Bahek today as our chief guest. He is my great friend. When I came here to the parish to to here also Bahek accompanied me here. And then people told here that tang padar payas ba dalawan sene wan tekirang ba but ki minister ki riwha so kenyan not tang bariar the most important people in the state and also in the church. So I'm happy to be part of that. So today, therefore, Bahek, I'm really happy to have you as our chief guest here.
This is the day that will last in our memories for reason to smile. Because great things start with small beginnings. This humble wish is from our tender heart. Casting the future, crafting a new world. Within a human and burning a flame. Master of wisdom, angels of young minds, shaping crystal our school.
Thankful to Father Pius. Is the parish priest, not only the parish priest, but also the heads of this St. Michael's School, but also a good friend of mine. I'm very thankful for remembering me, whether it is a small program, big program, or without any program also. Father Pius always remembering me. I remember 2 years ago, in 2023, we came here to lay the foundation stone of this extension building of the school. But just to see the responsibility, the determinations of the Father Pius and all the committee members, the building committee, to ensure the building reached or complete within no time. So today we are going to inaugurate this building. And also I am very happy today, Mr. Biswajit Gupta, he is the editor, the managing director of the four newspaper of the entire Northeast. He is also present here with me here today. I would like to inform you also, we are going to organizing a mega integrations rally for vehicle and motorcycle in the entire Northeast, and also will be concluded in our resort, in Meba Resort, on the 4th of February 2026, and the rally will be starting from the 4th January 2026. It will be flying up from Calcutta. It will be a very, very big event. So therefore, we have been doing so many things to ensure that, to integrate, to bring everybody to one platform, to make this world a better place to live in, for you, for me, and for everyone. So today specifically, I have not come here only to inaugurate the extension building, but I have come here to inaugurate the minds of young people, the minds of our young students. We are here to inaugurate you, to make you the self-awareness, to aware to yourself. What is your responsibility when you are a student? What you are going to do for your future? We are here to inaugurate the minds of our young students. Tomorrow you will be the future of our state, you will be future of our country, you will be future of our society we are living. We are all expecting to you. We understand that you have come from the different walk of life. Even me also, I become from the very poor family, but we never give up in our life. We have a strong determination to do what we have to accomplish. What we have to complete is our duty and responsibility. Therefore, our young children, I know that the life that is going on is a turning point in our life. It's always a turning point. But when you are going through any turning, the roads or zigzag road in your life, when you have to come and accomplish your missions, your future, you have to be known to yourself. You have to be aware to yourself. Gini mas go through ya la ka jong ka jingim ka ba mangi gidon na dagi day na kanu ka logye ka ba kumno ka logye. Gini man penyangi ladi. Gini man stand, gini man climb ya ka galong rin yang maran yang jogi. Kena bagi laban yui ya ka future ka baitanan. Ya ka laway ka purna jong ka jingim ka jongi. So therefore I always when I speak to our young student, I always reiterate it to tell that we are here to build to ourselves.